Hey guys, so I was sent this little package here to try out today. It's this Outlery spoon, fork, and knife backpacking, hiking, cutlery thing, and I'm a sucker for cool little gadgets, so I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, so let's give this thing a look, and thank you for ditching plastic and saving the oceans. Okay. So, and this is actually, unlike my normal channel stuff, you know me, I like really low budget stuff that I could get on a bargain, but this is actually a bit of a luxury item. It probably would make a really nice gift, I think. Let's see. Okay, washing by hand, mild detergent. All right, let's give it a shot. The packaging's really nice. This is a rubber, like a rubber liner there. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Pretty good looking spoon. Fork. Look at this knife. It's probably sharp since they have it covered. So let's see. Oh, it's a serrated knife. It's not like sharp, but with the serrated edges, I'm sure it'll cut just fine. Okay. And I guess a little turtle just for your fun. Okay, so got 3 of these. Let's see, put it together like this, I assume. It's actually really quite sturdy. It's all metal. Okay. Spoon. Oops, wrong side. All right, look at that. I think it's pretty nice looking. And you know, like I said, it's not a bargain item like my normal stuff, but it will last you forever. I mean, it seems like it's really good quality, and it packs away in this nice little packet. But there is an option where they have like chopstick pointers, but I'm guessing that you could just take 2 of these and use it as chopsticks too, and I think that'll work out just fine. All right, so you got short chopsticks, fork, spoon. Pretty cool. Okay, I finally read what this silicone thing is for. So it's in case your hands are wet or something, you can slide it in just to make you screw it in a little bit easier. So if you need a little bit of help gripping, or your hands are cold or something like that, you can put in the silicone, okay? I was thinking it was just to lay your utensils so it's clean, but no, it's to help you screw it in better. All right, so let's see how well it packs up. Get that out. All right, it's pretty nice. Thanks for giving a fork. Cute. All right. Proud to carry my own cutlery. Pretty cool little device. I mean, it packs up like a Altoids thing, and you know, it's pretty sturdy. It's not a cheap, lightweight device. You know, it packs up small, and it's probably going to last you a long time. Pretty cool.